Madonna is good afternoon, good morning. It's afternoon right now where I'm at. Good night, depends on where you are watching this video. I have something I want to break down to you, but I'm gonna have a special guest on today. It's a special guest. I just want to share something with you. After I went on my trip, um, he reached out to me and asked me if I could share my experience with him. So I want to give him a call and see what questions he have for me because I'm not sure what question he's gonna ask me, but he wants to me to share my experience with him. So I said, let me just record it and I could share it with you because I have some of my donors who been asking me about the experience that I have, how they go about it, and they want to get the membership and stuff for it. So I am going to have someone, the person that will recommend me to this platform. I'm going to have them, on the phone right now just to hear what he has to ask. So I am going to call him right now and see what question he have and what I can share with him pertaining to my experience, using the membership for the first time. And I have a couple of friends too that have the membership. I want to reach out to them too to see if they would share their experience, if they have used it yet. And I'm going to reach out to them eventually. And from time to time, I'll share what they have, how they have gone through the process, and it was it comfortable for them or they have any problem pertaining to they getting contact with customer service, or how they managed to go through easily, or if it was challenging for them. So I really want to touch back base with some of my signees, my friends and family who signed up, and if they ever use the product, I want them to. I'm gonna ask them a couple of questions eventually because he wants to ask me how was my trip and stuff. I decided to record this so I could share it with you guys. So let's call him. His name is Aaron. Oh, let's put it on speaker. Hi, Aaron. Good afternoon.
Hey, good afternoon. How you doing?
I'm doing great. So, guys, this famous Aaron said, he introduced me to this is doing right now, and I am excited. I'm not gonna lie to like take more opportunity. I've met Aaron in a different company before, and we had a great relationship so far. So I trusted when he tell me about the traveling which I was looking towards, because my goal is really to travel. And when he reached out to me and tell me about this platform that give you cheaper rate and travel, I said, tell me more about it. And by talking to him for a little while, I didn't even hesitate. I signed up, I think either the same day or the following day. When he reached out to me, I was very distracted, but after I settled down and listened to him, I didn't hesitate because I realized there was nothing out there like what he was telling me. Because I've been searching for a while to get some cheaper rates and traveling, but I couldn't get any. And the last time I went to Jamaica, I can't even tell you how much money it cost me to go to Jamaica, because once I want to travel, but when you're not gonna, I might be from Jamaica or I live in the US, but if I'm going to travel anywhere else around the world, which I want to, I don't have a house there to stay, so I have to have somewhere to stay. So getting a hotel's rate that is this cheap on this VIP link that I'm going to tell you about, it's amazing when you look on. the VIP link and you see the savings from the hotel stay that you want to save from. It's a great opportunity. So I just want to say thank you so much for introducing me to this platform, Aaron. But no, I you have some question for me, and I
Yes,
just want you um, to go ahead because you were asking me about talking. We're gonna talk about my vacation that I went on the other day.
well, because we said to be working with you again from after
Oh, you turn. Hold on, Aaron. You turned down. It's low. All right.
okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you now.
I was saying again, let me start by saying it's a pleasure to work with you again, especially in travel industry. But I mean, that's the only place we have worked before. And then we went to a trip to Punta Cana. No, it was Punta Cana and a couple of other trips that we have met in person already. So I mean, you're a friend that I actually met, and we now have a relationship in the sense of I always send you information and so forth. And I knew that this would have suited you because I know you love travel and what you love to do. And I mean, you travel a lot. And not only that, you also look at the aspect of earning additional income from utilizing what you do in the travel. And so I share this with you. And you said yes, as you said yes. But you did not stick, you did not hesitate, as a matter of fact. And they just recently opened up for us in Trinidad and Tobago because I just registered as an affiliate and was never able to utilize the product because it was not available for us, and I had to ask the CEO to get it open. So for almost 2 years, I just sat on the sideline and was not able to utilize the product. Now it's opened up. I'm ready to utilize the product, but you, Donna, you beat me to it. You beat me through it. You actually was the first one on my team that I personally referred to this amazing travel membership club that you were able to go on your trip. And not only that, at the time before you, at the time they had a complimentary as a customer. They had a complimentary. Was it? No, you did not get that. You got another complimentary vacation that you went on to.
I actually get the complimentary cruise.
Yes, you got that, but you haven't used it as yet.
No, I haven't used the cruise. Yes.
Right. So what you used was a complimentary 4 night 5 day vacation in, was it Mexico?
Right.
Cancun.
Cancun, yeah.
Right. So what I wanted to ask you, tell me what, because a lot of persons were asking about the fees and so forth. If you get a complimentary vacation, what are the fees that's attached to it? Because they think it's free and they think that flight is included and so forth. No, you get the 47 night, the 4 night 5 day vacation.
Are you kidding me? The flight is now included.
Huh? No, it's not included.
Oh, I thought you said the flight because okay, sorry about that.
Yeah, flight is not included.
Right, the flight is not included. So yeah, go ahead. Let me let you finish.
So tell me, how much did it cost? Well, how much did it cost you for that trip, excluding the flight? Because I mean, just for a regular vacation alone, for me right now, if I was to book, let's say I would have gone on one of the regular big travel sites, and I was to book a 4 night 5 day vacation in Cancun, it may cost me somewhere between $300 to $500 for that 4 nights in Cancun, based on the hotel or based on the resort that I'm going to stay.
No, it depends. It's gonna.
That's depending on the hotel. I say based on depending on the resort that I'm going to stay, and that is excluding flights. So how much did it cost you for that vacation? Was it tell me how it worked out?
Okay, so let me kind of break it down to you. When I signed up for the membership, I I get a complimentary cruise right away in my email, and then I redeem it. And redeeming it was $45. I wanted to take the cruise. I really wanted to take the cruise first just to get the experience, but I wanted to go with my husband and he wasn't available. So I signed up because I signed up for the membership and then I told you I wanted to try the affiliate program. So when I signed up 3 people, to be honest, Aaron, I did not realize that signing up 3 people, I would get a vacation stay in Mexico. I did not realize that. Maybe you said it to me, but it did not register. If you understand
Well,
what,
so wait.
if you
Let's
understand,
recap that again. Let's recap that again.
okay,
You said because you decided to share this membership, and
yeah,
all you have, as a member, all you have to pay is the regular 99 for the year for 1 year, no matter fees. You were able to pick up and get a free 4 night vacation in Cancun.
right. So after,
Okay.
yeah, so that is exactly what I'm saying. I did not realize because I talked to you about the affiliate program, but by communicating with you, it's just one day. I could not register everything you were saying at that time. So I did not get the understanding that if I signed up 3 people in 7 days, I was going to get a free vacation stay for 4 or 5 days, 4 nights. I did not get that from you. So when did I learn that? Is when I get an email after the first 3 people become a member, that I recommend. I get that email in my message. So right away, I redeem my cruise and I paid the $45 to redeem it. And they told me I have 2 years to use it, 24 months to use that cruise. And then after, before, I think it's like 5 days, I have like 4 people signed up. And I check my email and I get a, sorry about that. I checked my email and I got a email saying that I have gotten a complimentary vacation stay in either Dominican Republic or Mexico. So I was like, what? What is this? And then it said to redeem it, you gotta pay $15. So I reach out to you. I reach out to you, and that's when you explained that to me. Said, I become like a jet setter because I get 3 people in my first 7 days. I did not get that from you. I mean, you might tell me, but I maybe did not register it. Sometimes you're communicating with somebody, but they did not register everything that you're saying. I don't think I did get that set in my brain while you were talking to me about the product. You get what what I'm saying?
Yeah, definitely.
So when I get the email, I was shocked. I'm not gonna lie. I was shocked and I was excited and I'm like, oh my God. And I explained the product to others and they signed up and they get the complimentary cruise. They were very excited. So
And they were
so I decided that I wanted to take the vacation as soon as possible because some of my friends that signed up have been asking me if I ever use the product. And I told them, no, I haven't. And I said, I have to use the product. So I decided to use Christine, which is my friend because my husband wasn't available. And I used Christine and I said, I am going to go with my friend and to test the product for myself. And Aaron, to answer your question that you asked, how much money did I spend? Um, so I pay they told me that I have to pay $100 up front. After I pay the $15, they said I have to pay $100 up front. That is a part of the taxes and the fees. So after that, they tell me that if the taxes doesn't come up to that, they will refund me back my whatever leave, but I have to pay that $100 up front when I decided to take the vacation. So it was $70 and they gave me back the $30. So the total money that I pay right there was $70 taxes for that vacation stay. That's it. I mean, when I get to Cancun, they told me that I have to pay $18 for service charge for them to clean the room and stuff. So I pay an extra $18 when I went there, but that was it. I didn't pay another dime. And let me tell you something, it's the best time I ever had in my life going on a vacation. I'm not gonna lie. And the rest of place that I have gone, I spent tons of money to stay in places. When I say tons of money, I mean a lot of money. I don't even want to disclose some of those money that I pay to stay because remember, this is not my house. I Every time you go on a vacation, you have to stay someplace. And where you want to stay, somewhere that look like a dumpster or somewhere that look very nice. You're not going to stay any, I don't want to stay anywhere where I carry home any fleas or anything like that in my house. So I want to go to place that is very clean and nice. I want to go to place that they clean every day and take good care of. So I don't want to stay any and anywhere. So that is just my part about it. I enjoy the stay, and for that little price, oh, Christine, my friend Gracie, oh, she blow everything away. She wants to go back.
I want
Like,
to ask a question, Donna.
yeah, go ahead.
The question I wanted to ask you now, you said you got a complimentary, which I also have one I did not use as yet. So I have two cruises and a complimentary vacation as well that I haven't used as yet. But you said you got that. And is it that and it only cost you $70 in total? But what did it cost your friend?
That's it, just $70.
It cost her $70 as well, or just
No, they told me I have to pay $100 for the process and everything, and that is going to be a part of the tax. They said when if they don't need all that, if they don't need all that money, they would have give me the balance.
so what I'm saying to you is what I'm trying to get my point I'm trying to get across here is that you got that vacation, that complimentary vacation. It only cost you $70 in total, and that was not just for you alone.
That was not for me. No, that was for me and my friend.
Right, so that's for two persons, so it only costs $70. Wow, that's a steal of a deal if you were to travel with two persons to Cancun now on your own.
Yeah.
And that same type of vacation, it may cost between $400 to $500 for that same vacation, correct?
It maybe cost a lot more than that.
Oh wow. Well, look at that. I'm underselling.
No, it's gonna cost a lot. It's gonna cost me a lot more than that to stay in places, nice place in Cancun. To stay in a nice place in Cancun, it's gonna cost you a lot more than that.
Well, listen, Donna. The travel membership is an amazing product that they have. And what they have now is that every single year, someone renews their membership.
Mhm.
You get a 7 night complimentary vacation. It may cost you the same as well, or a little more, but in taxes, and that's it.
Yeah, because hotel taxes is not that expensive, to be honest.
And then, so they follow like a cost code model. You pay $199 a year.
Right.
Now, what they have done, which of course things a little bit, and if two people choose to do the affiliate side like yourself to share, and you're not getting people, you don't have to get no one. You just have to share. Everybody wants to
Just share it. Like I am just sharing it. I'm not getting any money because I'm not recruiting anybody. I'm just suggesting it to people who would interested to travel because I'm not it's not this is not like I'm recruiting, no. It's about sharing it with people that who like minded and wanted to travel because you can travel for way less. All right. So for instance, you were gonna go to Dubai next year. I want to go to Dubai. The only reason why I haven't gone yet is because of the flight. I can't see myself sitting to a plane for so long, and that's why I haven't been to England yet, and I haven't been to Dubai, to be honest, because the flight is the long flight. I can't sit on my bottom so long. I'm still trying to process that. But so for instance, next year I want to go to Dubai. I have a 7 night vacation stay when I renew my membership, and that is very exciting to me because it's only $100 per year, and every year I get a complimentary vacation stay for 7 nights, and I can bring someone with me. I was talking to somebody the other day, and they said if you have two kids that you wanted to bring two, you could bring your spouse and your two kids and
You can
stay.
bring two kids as well, yes.
Yeah, I think I was talking to someone about it, one of the up leader, and they said, well, if it's the partner with the two kids next year when they renew, nobody cares who they want to go into the room with. So if you have two kids with your partner and you want to go into that room where you can get two beds, and you just decided to go to stay right there, you don't have to spend an extra money. You could just go with your two kids and your partner, and you stay in that room.
Nice.
Yeah, yeah.
It's not amazing, and it's pretty simple. You don't have to do a certain math today. their marketing stuff is done. It's really simple as an app or a very they also have an app that's very interactive.
Mhm.
Then you have the travel booking engine that's going to give you happy prices. The silly thing about it is when you book travel on the other regular websites, you pay what they you pay retail prices because they jack up the prices, but and then when you go to some travel company as an affiliate or as a member, you pay the monthly subscription and you paying the fee for that particular
Yeah, it's crazy because that's just one of the reason why the other company that I was in, I decided to stop because of the
correct.
monthly payment that I have to pay. And I'm like, this is a lot of money at the end of the year.
You
I don't want to be, paying money every month, but paying $100. I pay 120 every year for a Costco membership. And what did I do with that? I go into Costco to buy my grocery. So at the end of the day, I'm paying $100 every year, and every year when I renew it, I am getting a vacation stay, someplace for 7 nights. And the good thing about it, when I they signed me to someone to book my vacation stay, and I could call them and email them at any time through business hours. If I'm having an issue, if I want to change something, anything I want to do, I could call them because they signed me directly to someone just for $70 I pay out of my pocket. I get somebody that I could email them if I have a problem. If anything happened on my trip, I could let them know. They would take care of it if I was having any issue, any problem. Everything was like, oh my God, to know that I only pay $70. I was saying to my friend Gracie, I really wanted to test this product because one, people are asking me if I ever used it, and two, um, I wanted to see for myself what people are getting into. And when I was like, everything went so smooth, I emailed them, they emailed me back. I called them. If I didn't get them, they call me back. I leave a message on I leave a message and he returned my phone call. It was just a very easy transaction. I didn't have to breathe hard. When I went there, he said, "Let me tell you, I don't know if they're gonna charge you any extra while you were there, but I don't think so." Um, so I was looking to see if they were gonna charge me because when I was with the other company, I ended up paying money when I was in Dominican Republic, and my husband turned to me and said, "When you go to Cancun, you're gonna pay some money there. This can't be for $70." That's what he told me. He said, "This can't be. So you're going to get the surprise when you get there." And I said, "If that's the case, then I won't be recommend this to anyone because, you know what I mean?" So I'm happy that I test the product for myself. And
well, Donna, you made me excited when I heard that testimony. It made me excited because I have not tested it. I have not used the product as yet, but I know people like yourself and other person that have used it.
yeah,
And the people that have used it, those are people that I trust.
yeah,
And of course, you are one of the persons that I trust as well. But I have a Cancun trip as well. I have two cruises that I have to go on, and I'm gonna go on those trips this year. As a matter of fact, my membership renewed would have been no, my membership is renewed next year. So I have a couple of, and then they have a new something that's going on when if you refer three affiliates or customers within the next couple of weeks, you're gonna get a next of 7 nights.
wow. So if you have three, like for me now, I can win another vacation stay if I refer like,
Three affiliates, yeah,
oh really?
three affiliates.
So if I recommend, if I share with three more people, I can win another vacation stay.
Not no, that they have to be affiliates too.
Oh, okay, okay, got you.
They have to be affiliates. However, they can, affiliates always become customers. The customers don't really come affiliates. They don't produce. So affiliate produces customers. So that's the model that they are going with. They switch the things a little bit. But I mean, it's for the betterment of the company, and you still also what you get now. As the affiliate, you get the free. As long as you register as an affiliate and you lock your spot in, you get a complimentary for 5 night vacation or something like that to Dominican Republic. And then when you as a customer, you get your wholesale booking engine, you get those discounts, and then you get every year you renew your membership, you get that 7 night vacation. So that's
Right. Okay. So for somebody that wants to be an affiliate, once they get the membership and they become an affiliate, like they want to become affiliate where they like refer it to their friends and family.
yes.
Um, if they get 3 people, they get a 5 night vacation stay in Cancun or Dominican. You're saying?
I stand to be correct. It's either between 5 to 7 nights, somewhere
Oh,
around that.
5 to 7 nights. So if they
Somewhere
refer
around
three
that.
people,
I'm not sure exactly.
and how long they have to refer those 3 people?
We had there's a promotion going on until July. That's a special thing.
Oh,
But when you register and you lock your spot in, once you
mhm.
lock your spot before the week, as soon as you lock it, you register and you lock your spot in before the week is up, before the cycle turns over, you get a complete that vacation. Because I believe it's every Friday or something like that. The system flushes and and goes again, right?
Yeah.
So that's how it works. Again, a customer could just be a customer. You want to get travel wholesale discounts. You want
Okay.
to get wholesale pricing. You purchase the membership. You pay 99 a year, and you take advantage of the savings. Now,
Right.
if you ever when you renew the following year, you get a 7 night vacation.
Yeah, that I know for sure. And I look forward to that because at least it's $100 to renew, and I'm getting a 7 night vacation stay next year. Um, who wouldn't want that? It's just $100, and you get a 7 night vacation stay next year. You're getting something for your $100. You just got to pay
Correct.
the taxes, just like how I paid $70 for that in Cancun. Um, if I want to go to Jamaica next year, if I want to go to Dubai next year, if I want to go to England next year, anywhere around the world I want to go next year, I have that 7 nights vacation stay. And that's why I asked the questions, because before I signed up, I asked where can I go if it's going to be restricted. But when you just signed up, it restricted. When you become an
Okay, so when
affiliate,
you
no,
renew,
when you just become an affiliate, it restricted.
then
You only can go to Cancun or Dominican, right?
okay, and then every year. Now
Aaron,
this what I'm
Aaron, I'm asking, when you just become an affiliate like
right.
that,
So what I'm saying to you is what I'm saying to you. I don't want to correct you, and I stand to be corrected. But
mhm.
that information I could find out. Why I know you are restricted when you register. I believe I have to confirm that, but I know your step application
Because
every year.
I saw that on the meeting the other day. It's either, I think it's either Cancun. Yeah, it's in Mexico. Yeah,
Oh,
yes, it was in Mexico. I'm not sure if Dominican is a part of it, but yeah, either. I thought it was, yeah, and I was like, anybody would be happy to go to Mexico because it's very nice. So, and you
but the
don't need
yearly
visa. You don't need visa to go there, and that's what I
the
learned.
yearly the yearly renewal. I am not 100% sure. I need to confirm that if it's more if
No,
it's
no,
applied.
no. I spoke to the upline and they told me it's anywhere around the world.
Right, with that
No,
okay.
the yearly renewal is anywhere you want it. And they give you a whole list of they gave you a whole list of hotel
Okay, well,
that you could choose from where you would want to stay. And that's what happened the other day too. They gave me a list of hotels where I would want to stay, and I went on Google and I was googling the hotels them, and I choose the one that I want to stay.
right. Well,
Yeah.
then I would say we have it correct too.
Yeah.
You are restricted with your first vacation.
Yeah, you're restricted with your first from complimentary vacation stay. That's the one that when you refer 3 people, yes, you go to either Cancun, Mexico, or Dominican Republic. Those are
Yes.
the only two you get to go when you just signed up and become an affiliate.
But who would want to go to Cancun? Who would want to go to them?
Yeah, once you become an affiliate, you get that. So yeah, that's nice. That's very nice. When you just signed up, you become an affiliate, you get a free vacation stay, 5 day, 4 night. I'm not sure whichever one, either 5 or
Yes.
7 days to
Yes.
Mexico.
And if you are a luxury customer, you get access to wholesale savings and wholesale prices, and
Right.
you basically every year you renew.
I'm so interested in the free vacation stay. Trust me, because I already experienced it. It's not free, but I mean, you know what I'm talking about. I don't have to spend those big bucks. I'm
Yeah.
never going to spend those kind of money again to go anywhere. I'm telling you, I am never going to spend those kind of money ever that I used to spend before. That was so stupid.
And then once you know how to book when you're traveling for flight,
Yeah.
you know how to book because the flight industry is not monopolized.
Hmm.
It's you have to know when to book, how to book, what days to book, the time to book.
Yeah, because you know what? When I ended up paying 300 and something dollars for my ticket to go to Cancun, right?
Mm.
But I saw that ticket for $225 weeks in advance because we book our ticket last minute. That's why we ended up spending that. Because if I did book the ticket when I saw it for $225, I could save $100.
Yeah.
On my VIP link, I saw it on there for $225. I should have grabbed my ticket right away, but because my friend um did not get the time off yet from work, I couldn't buy the ticket. And then I wait up to last minute for them to approve her, and then I get the ticket for 300 and some dollars, last minute ticket. So, but
the next trip we're gonna be taking is the cruise.
Yeah, I mean, I want to go on the cruise, but I have to wait for my husband. I don't want to go by myself. Yeah, I want to wait for him to when he's ready. But I have 2 years to use it. My birthday is coming up, and I'm trying to make some plans for this too. So I'll be going on my VIP link to see what I can find reasonable, and I'm getting out of here for my birthday. I believe. If not, I might have something at my house.
But I'm sure you're gonna have an amazing trip for your birthday.
Yeah. But Aaron, I just want to tell you thanks to introduce me to this membership. I'm getting ready to just enjoy it, man. Trust me, because when I go on that VIP link, because I wanted to go to Vegas with my girls, right? So my son is overseas. He's at work. He's working overseas, and I said to my daughters, "Let's go to Vegas," because I really wanted to see what Vegas is all about. Everybody always saying everything happening in Vegas, whatever. So I just want to go to see what Vegas is all about. And I said, let's do a girls trip, me and my 3 girls. And I was looking that was before I signed up for the membership. And I look on the prices and the places that I'm staying. I'm like, what on earth? These prices is ridiculous. When I get the membership, it was like 2 weeks later, I signed up for the membership. I remember. And I went on the VIP link right away because we were looking in going to Vegas, right? Some of the hotels I wrote down that I wanted to stay, I was saving 300 and something dollars off of one, 280 something dollars, $160. And I'm like, I only spent $100 for this membership. And right away, I am saving 300. That's what I said to myself. I'm like, what the?
It costs you more not to become a member. It costs you more not to be a member.
Yes, it costs you more not to be a member. And I said to myself, I pay $100 for this membership. And by having it, I am saving 360 something dollars. I already saved my on this first trip, I already saved my $100 that I spent for the year to go on for this membership. I was like, oh my God, look at this. This is awesome. So no regrets, man. I just want to tell you thanks because me I get ready for hit the road. Me want to travel at least 4 times for the year, 3, 4 times, and this membership is gonna do me well.
Nice. It's a pleasure to have you, and thank you for having me on your call today.
Yes. Thank you so much too.
If you are listening to this or you look at this after, make sure and contact them, message her, grab a whole lot of membership, take advantage of it, and if you want to get more and you want to get more value for yourself, you want to look at the affiliate aspect of it, you can't do that too. But the membership is just out of this world.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it costs you more not to be a member.
It costs you way more not to be a member. I am a living testimony for that because 2020 when I went to Jamaica, I can't even tell you how much money I spent to stay at place in Jamaica. And as I said, I'm not staying anywhere. I like to stay a place that I feel safe. I'm not going into somebody's country and rent an Airbnb because I don't know the community. So I rather stay at somewhere that is gated and I feel safe.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So that's just me when I travel. I rather not go if I'm not feeling safe. Okay, thank you so much for coming on, Aaron. Have a blessed day and we'll keep in touch.
Ciao, take care.
Okay, bye bye. Okay, my battery's dying. So guys, yes, so I came back from my trip and he was reaching out and he wanted to me to share my experience with him. I didn't get a chance to do that, so I decided to like have him on a call and record it so we could actually share some experience. He signed up. He said he signed up like 2 years ago, but at that time they weren't giving away the complimentary cruise. He just got it just lately. He get that by signing up and refer it to other people. And he have like four vacation free vacation. Well, it's not free because you gotta pay the taxes. But he have like four of them waiting. 2 years now. He have like four of them waiting to go because every time when you refer somebody, you tend to win in trips here, there, and everywhere. I'm telling you, it costs you more not being a member on this platform if you travel any at all, because next year you want to travel by just that one vacation stay for 7 nights that you're only gonna pay the taxes like I did in Cancun, $70. um you're saving from that, so you don't have anything to lose. But if you're interested, don't feel